We have the intuition that we're going to get better decisions out of a team because the team is going to give us lots of different perspectives. I've got lots of members of the team and we're all going to look at a problem differently. And that's going to allow us to make great decisions. But it actually turns out that teams in general, when they're sort of left to their own devices, don't actually produce better decisions necessarily than an individual who's well-informed. And the reason for that is that teams naturally bend toward groupthink. So when you look at discussions that teams are having, about 80% of the discussion is spent on areas of agreement. And once you start to see consensus start to build in the team, what happens is that people who actually disagree with that consensus point of view that starts to be surfaced on the team, ultimately, that's the best thing you can do in order to improve your decision-making, is to focus on dispersion.
And I like how this kind of wraps everything up nicely in a nice bow where you get feedback from the whole team after they do all the other 3 exercises in this template. And then this is kind of like a wrapping everything up with a nice discussion about, like you said, the dispersion of different ideas to come to a decision at the very end.
Exactly.
Yep. Well, thank you so much, Annie, for walking us through your Coda template.